Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Well, hello, and thank you so much for clicking on my video, and welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. How are you? Now today we'll be doing a fall/autumn tag. I know a lot of these tags are not really as popular, but I love them because get to know each other and I want to get to know you, vice versa, you want to get to know me. Now I do have a list of questions and we're gonna go through it, get to know each other, and chat. So right now I do have my Starbucks and we're gonna talk a little bit more about this, so hang tight. Well, hello, let's just dive into the questions, shall we? First question. Do you prefer flannel or jumpers? Honestly, I prefer flannels, and here's why. Flannels, you can put them on top, you can make basically any look cute. I mean, a lot of times I wear tank tops such as this, put a little flannel, and we're good, we're off to autumn. I don't like jumpers, even though I think they're totally cute, and don't get me wrong, I do have jumpers. I do, believe me. But I hate the fact when you go to the restroom, you feel like you have to take the whole thing off and you're basically naked. Do you prefer fairy lights or candles? Candles, because I always feel like you can use them and have a nice ambience when you just need it, or even if you need that quiet time, because believe me, I need some quiet times to myself sometimes. But trust me and believe, and it's just to have that little sound and just that smell, it calms the soul. Question 3. What are your favorite candles? Technically, I can't just decide on just one. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I do have 2. Well, I don't know if you want to call it 3, 2. I'll explain in a minute. I'll explain why I'm kind of not sure if it's 2 or 3. The first one, which I feel like everyone should go out to Bath & Body Works to get, because all these candles are from Bath & Body Works. I mean, let's be real here. The first one is a love that me and my brother both share. We both love this scent around, well, I currently live in an apartment, so like in the apartment setting. It's called the Caramel Pumpkin Swirl. Right now, this is what I currently am burning, as you can tell. I don't know if you can tell by a lot of the burn marks there. I don't know how much the camera can catch that. But this is the first one that I'm currently burning. It's a nice caramel scent. The pumpkin, I smell it and it's strong, but it's not so strong to where you're gonna be knocked out. But it's strong enough to when people come in, like I've had guests come in and they're like, ooh, what does that smell around the house? Are you cooking? I'll give them that look like, yeah, me cook? You're funny. No, I said it's this candle, and sometimes they're here like in the afternoon or evening, and I had burned this in the morning. So it stays around the house the whole day, even after it's burnt. I love it. The other candles that I love, which is why I can't decide if it's 2 or 3, is hot cocoa and cream. But even though the packaging looks different, it has the same name, hot cocoa and cream. But, and I know Bath & Body Works sometimes sell, let's face it, about the same scent every year, maybe a few new ones here and there. But the reason I'm confused is here. They're both hot cocoa and cream. And they both look dark right here, correct? But, see, dark, dark. But when you flip it, it's different. And keep in mind, oh, I'm so sorry. And keep in mind, I have not burnt any of these 2 yet. But the smell is a tad different. Like this one, hot cocoa and cream, the only difference I see is that this one is made with essential oils. Oh, this one. Like it's hot cocoa and cream, but it also, and it may just be me, but it smells like it has a touch of nuttiness in there. Even though it doesn't say it has nuttiness in there, but it may be. Or maybe that's the cocoa's more nut type of texture, I don't know. And this hot cocoa and cream actually smells like hot chocolate. So, yeah, I'm not quite sure what the actual difference is when they have the same name. I'm confused. Like I said, maybe the essential oils is the nuttiness in this one. I don't know, but this is what I love to buy. And if you know me personally, you guys know I'm obsessed. I not gonna lie, I am obsessed with chocolate. Hence, yeah. And even my drinks, which I'll go into the drink in just a second, I'm obsessed with chocolate. So these are the ones I love, the hot cocoa and cream, I guess with essential oils as well, and the caramel pumpkin swirl. I'll go ahead and put everything that I'm discussing down in the description below, along with, you know, where I got them, so no worries. Next question, hot chocolate or tea? Honestly, I always prefer hot chocolate, only because, hence, like I discussed like 10 seconds ago, I love chocolate. Tea, I refer to tea either you're really sick and you get like the manzanilla and stuff like that, or you know, at night sometimes your mind is going, your body's tired, but your mind is just like going and going and going, and it won't shut down. So I will get like nice vanilla tea. I like the peppermint, anything like mint in there, and just relax. It's time for bed. Come on, let's relax. Next question, what is your favorite drink? That brings me to the Starbucks. Now, normally, like right now, since I'm doing a video, I would just drink it normally here, like you saw at the beginning of the video, but I usually like straws. My God, this drink is absolutely delicious. The kind of drink I like drinking in the fall time is called Cinnamon Dulce Cream. And I like this because I customize it just a tad. We cannot have actual milk because I break out and my tummy doesn't agree with it. So I always have them in all my Starbucks drinks to substitute it with coconut milk. And then, of course, add some coffee to it, especially it's morning, because right now it's like 10:04 in the morning. See, I'm getting earlier and earlier each video, I'm telling you. So yes, so this is my favorite, and yes, I do add the whipped cream because I'm on this whipped cream. But yeah. Now, what is your favorite fall color? Well, my favorite fall color is orange. And I know most people are like, oh, with all your channels you would think it'd be blue, purple. It is. Those are my favorite colors. But my favorite color for fall is orange because I feel like it's a nice, bright, beautiful color. And I actually have this look that I'm complete obsessed with. I haven't done this look yet. Actually, I may do a tutorial on it. If you're interested, let me know, comment below. And it's an orange look. It brightens your eyes, makes you look just stunning and just ready for fall. Let me know. And I also do have a fall tutorial that I did last year. I'll go ahead and link that in the description below. What is your favorite fall movie? Well, my favorite fall is The Worst Witch. And this movie was made like back in the 1980s. I understand, yes. So it will be this movie right here. I love it. And I think they actually have the full version on YouTube. I'm gonna try to find it, and if I can, I'll link it below. It'll be in the description below. I love it. I love Mildred, and yes, because she's a witchy story, but basically it's about, she's basically the worst witch. She can't do anything right. She feels like she tries her best, but her best isn't enough. She has a best friend that tries to support her, at least in this movie. She's kind of considered the second worst witch too, but always says don't worry about it. She encourages her. And then of course there's, you know, the bully, of course, Ethel Hallow, because she is considered, you know, she's brilliant in everything. She is perfect, and anything less is beneath her. So they fight a lot, and yes, there's instant revenge in there. Love it. So, and then of course, you know, one of my, I'm into villains, I ain't gonna lie, Miss Harbroom. She's very, let's just say she's tough. She's loving, but she has her favorites, which of course her favorite is Ethel Hallow. So yes, that is my favorite fall movie. Now, what is your favorite TV fall show? Well, interestingly enough, it would be The Worst Witch, but it's a new version, more 2018, 17 kind. That I think the episodes are coming from, I believe, England. I believe. Same characters, well, character names, even though the original The Worst Witch came from a book, but it's a good book, by the way, just FYI. And as new characters, and I do like the new characters, their stories, except the only twist is that her best friend, Maud, in the original movie she was the second worst witch, but in the TV show she's the team lead, as you would say, Victorian. Is that how you say it now? Yeah, the Victorian. So she's like the best, and even though Ethel, you know, she still plays the evil villain, she's perfect. perfect in every way. Even though the older sister seems to be the best also, but she's not mean about it. She's actually a sweetheart, and then has the little sister that's also in the show, but she's completely opposite as well. She's like the scary cat kind and can't do anything perfect, and of course Ethel gives her a hard time. It's a hot mess. But and then the older sister tries to keep Ethel in line, but their mom, Mrs. Hallow, not a witch you want to mess with. So yes, I'm really into the show. I love it. I finished season 1 and season 2, waiting for season 3, but you and me both know, even though this you can only find at Netflix, it's not gonna come till like next year probably. I would love to be in that show though. I don't know, that's like, I don't know. I just like witchy movies, so maybe it's the villain. I always like being the villain. Anyways, that's my favorite thing. Movie and TV show, The Worst Witch. What is your favorite thing about fall? My favorite thing about fall is basically the weather change. I love where you have a little bit of a cooling. Now, I do live in Houston, Texas, so here's always like 80, 90 degrees, shocker. But we do have those days, mostly when the season starts to change. Night, you get that nice breeze, and it gets nice. It gets nice to where, ooh, I can wear a long sleeve now. Yay, yay, yay. I love long sleeves. I can get rid of the tank tops or even this and like put like a long sleeve like cardigan on top, you know. And so I actually love the weather change. And then when it starts getting cold, you can start putting your jackets, and I'm into leather jackets. Oh my God, so basically the weather change. Now, do you prefer scarf or hats? Oh honey, I prefer scarves, because scarves, it's a nice accessory. You can do whatever you want, changes, and if someone's being sassy to you, you could just be like, and keep walking. Like, you didn't mean to be sassy. The scarf was not in its proper place, you know. So yeah, I like scarves. I do not like hats, because it messes up your hair. And I'm sorry, I'm a hair person. Like right now, my hair is nice and straight, beautiful, glossy. I know, I should be in Pantene Pro-V commercial. But it takes me forever to get my hair like this. You've seen a couple of my other videos that looks a little bit, if you want a video of how I take care of my hair, let me know, comment below. But it takes a while, so yeah. Favorite clothing for fall. My favorite clothing, leather jackets and long sleeves. I love them because I'm comfortable and it's just nice, and especially like the soft long sleeve ones. Yes, so that's my favorite. And of course, I love leather and cute little jackets. Now we get more into the makeup stuff. What is your favorite lip color? Well, my favorite lip color, it's a little bit of a combination, because I do like a little bit vampy. So as the videos go on, I probably will get a little bit more vampier as the season goes. Now, this is from Urban Decay, and it's Venom Cream. If you look at that color, it's a little bit vampy. It's not bright red and it's not light. It's a little bit dark. You see how that red has a little bit of a plum to it? And I'm into, as much as I said, you know, orange is my favorite color for the season, I like purple colors. Hence, see? Am I top cute? Anyways, I love purple colors. So, I love this. But, I also like putting on top. This is from Bite Beauty in Gold. It's a lip gloss. See how beautiful that is? Like, all their lip glosses are just fantastic. And you would think, gold, huh? I've been like wearing this all the way through like December, Christmas. And when I swatch it, so I like these. Actually, you know what? I wouldn't mind putting a little bit extra on here. Okay, I have a little bit on, but you see how that just brightens up whatever lipstick I have underneath? It's absolutely fantastic. Like I said, I'll put all the product I have on my face today down in the description below, so no worries. And now for the last question. What is your favorite blush? Now, in case, if you haven't seen all my videos, I've been bragging about this ever since I got it from my BoxyCharm. The Laura Geller New York Baked Blush and Brightened from Tropicuse. And yes, I do have this on my cheeks today. I love it. I love her baked formula, beautiful colors. You swatch, and literally, I mean, look at that shot. I didn't put it all, I put it away, like, there we go, for you can see. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. And I showed you guys the trick to put it on your hand first and then put it on your face, or else you'll get clown face. You want to try to have that natural brighten soft blush. So this is my favorite blush. So that is basically my fall autumn tag. Kind of mixed all the questions together to the ones that I thought was super awesome. So I hope you really appreciate it. And I actually tag you. It's your turn to tell me what are the things you like in fall. So I'll put all the questions down in the description as well. And let me know. And if you have a video and you have a tag video, put your link down in the comments. I'd be more than happy to check it out because, you know, I want to see what you like. You know, we're here to get to know each other, of course. So thank you so much for watching. And remember to follow me on all my social medias at Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and even on Snapchat. It is Enidbluesinger. Also on my IMDb page, Enid Lopez. And also one last thing. I wanted to remind you guys that I am partnered up with Johnson & Johnson and for the autism, to help people with autism, to see what we can do to help them grow, enrich them, and just make their lives better. They are asking for donations, so I will put all the information down in the description below. Please feel free to check it out, comment. You're no obligation to donate, but if you do donate, even if it's a simpler like $5, Johnson & Johnson will match it, and whatever we do will help get the materials, research, everything needed to help better the lives of autism. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I'm so happy for the new season coming in, and once again, I miss you. I love you. Thank you so much. Remember to share this video if you can, and let's all have fun and get to know each other. Alright, have a beautiful, wonderful, and safe day, and until next time, see you soon. Bye.